Ready, Yasuo, I have axe,
I should have. I'm on my way. Yasuo's all.
No flash, gas.
I'm ulting.
Can you guys get on stupid?
Gas.
I have axe. Ready, Yasuo, I have axe.
I should have. I'm on my way.
Go.
I'm on Inox. No, I got Creppo.
Creppo.
Back up.
I'm coming. Jake, I'm on my way.
Yo, Lucy.
I got this, guys.
End. Or just push. Or not even end, but end it.
Let's go, baby.
I can tank it.
That shit's so free.
That was a 4 vs 5.
Good job.
I'm multi-K.
Never mind.
I'm getting Kate.
I'm on Snippet. I'm on Creppo. I'm on Creppo.
Creppo. Back up. Ziggs is gonna have ult soon.
Can we just kill that guy or no?
Wait, I need to ward here. No, don't ult him.
We have to get off.
I can kill Creppo. Do you want me to kill Creppo? We don't take damage. Just have ult on tank. When do you have smite?
He doesn't have smite for this.
I smite now.
Oh,
he has smite.
Waiting for
But he's right there. I can just stun him. Tell me when you're bursting.
Thresh. I'm
stunning. He ulted over.
Oh my god.
I got it.
Yeah, Paul Builder? He has Zonius.
I'm going.
I'm pushing mid.
They have ult. You know.
Okay, wait until we have flash. 10 seconds.
Hotshot, you have flash or no?
Yeah, I flash.
I'm on cruiser, front line.
Go ahead.
I got their backline.
Watch cat.
Yeah, I'm backing.
Yo, cruiser. I got him.
Wait.
Okay. Careful. Scrubs. Wait for comms. I'm on cat. He's dead.
Yo, cutie.
Run, Hotshot, run. Wait.
I'm waiting for cat.
Cat's on me.
I stun cat.
Cat's on me.
He's dead. Yo, kill. Cruiser. I'm fine.
Okay.
Yeah, we can do Baron.
Baron.
At least get beat here. Baron's at 3K. You can just get it.
Get this guy.
I got him.
Nice. Go back up, Baron. I have no word for the side. You got this?
I'm healing.
Nice.
Kill.
Giovanna's missing.
Good
job. Go through dragon.
Yeah, there's 2 mid. Let's help him. Yeah, we're coming.
Exhausting him. Okay, kill him.
Nice.
I'm on this bandit.
Drag.
Good job. That's good, baby. That's the boy.
I'm moving. Kill Jinx. She has no flash or barrier. No barrier flash.
I got her.
We're coming.
I'm blood R. I just want to push off this. Can you start pushing up midwave? Somebody?
Might have ulti.
Guess who's bot?
I got him. Maybe. No.
I got him.
Push it. I can use turrets to tank, but
yeah, you still got it.
Boy, do it again.
Yo, just killing.
I'm taking a hip.
Yo, keep going. I got come shot in 7. Double. Afro.
Coming.
Yo, Baron.
Hotshot.
Careful.
Finish him.
Deshaun, I got him. I'll kill him.
Fuck. I got the inhib though. I got inhib.
Yo,
29.
we can bear.
Get him.
Yo, Muna go in.
Muna, go.
Yo, don't stack.
Kill Hotshot. Hotshot's no. Turn.
Yo, Nia's getting shit on. Yo, sneaking on turret. Oh, Nia.
Kill Nia. Someone take turret.
Okay, he's going.
I'm not near. You can.
Yeah, it's fine.
If you guys can't focus,
We're fine.
Move back, come back.
I'm on my way from base.
Go on, Scar.
I'm on
Scrum. Nice.
That's 5. No, 5.
Get cutie.
Oh, fuck.
Cutie.
Tanking.
Just back up. Oh, wow. Holy shit, you do all damage.
Okay, nice one.
Yeah, we're pretty bad.
Yeah, let's get a start.
I was saying they're the ones.
You want to get it? It's all you.
I'm coming. Just run to me. I'm at red.
Come, make sure you use your Randuin.
Just be careful. I'm at red.
Right now.
Randuins.
Shoving
Keep
up
going.
I'm coming.
Nice.
Oh, you're flashed.
He flashed over.
Shirelli is
I have Elise.
Okay, go.
Slowed.
I'm shoving top.
Hell yeah.
Save it all, baby. Go. Boy. I'm a boy.
Okay.
Whoever's dead.
Bro, dominate.
Wukong. I'm on top.
I'm on dominate.
I'm switching.
He's
I'm on
igniting.
Mundo. I'm on Wukong.
I have 2 seconds on Q. 2 seconds on Q.
Careful,
Do we
don't
just go
chase.
Baron? They have jungle. They don't have jungle. They don't have
This
jungle.
Dire starts to tank it.
Crappo.
Or not even in, but in it.
Or just push
Or not even in, but in it.
Let's go, baby.
I get tanked.